Welcome to this comprehensive guide on socially responsible investing. In today's world, more investors are asking themselves an important question. Can I grow my wealth while staying true to my values? The answer is yes, and that's exactly what socially responsible investing allows you to do. Throughout this video, you'll learn how to align your investment portfolio with your ethical principles, understand the different approaches to responsible investing, and discover practical steps to get started on your journey toward values-based wealth building. Socially responsible investing, or SRI, is an investment strategy that goes beyond just looking at financial performance. It considers both the financial returns you want to achieve and the social or environmental impact your investments create. Essentially, SRI allows you to support companies whose practices and values align with your own personal beliefs, while still working toward your financial goals. Instead of simply chasing the highest returns, socially responsible investors carefully evaluate where their money goes and what kind of impact it makes in the world. This approach recognizes that your investment dollars are powerful tools that can drive positive change in society. Socially responsible investing is built on three fundamental principles. First is environmental responsibility, which focuses on how companies treat our planet, including their carbon footprint, resource usage, and commitment to sustainability. Second is social justice, which examines how companies treat people, including fair labor practices, diversity and inclusion efforts, human rights protection, and positive community engagement. Third is ethical governance, which looks at how companies are run, including transparent board structures, ethical business practices, accountability to shareholders, and responsible decision-making processes. These three pillars work together to create a comprehensive framework for evaluating whether a company deserves your investment dollars. The ESG Framework is the most widely used tool for evaluating socially responsible investments. ESG stands for environmental, social, and governance. The environmental component assesses a company's climate impact, how efficiently it uses natural resources, its pollution levels, and overall sustainability practices. The social component examines labor practices, workplace diversity, respect for human rights, and how the company engages with local communities. The governance component evaluates board structure and independence, ethical standards, transparency in reporting, and accountability mechanisms. Together, these three factors provide a comprehensive picture of how responsibly a company operates beyond just its financial metrics. Many investment funds and rating agencies use ESG scores to help investors make informed decisions. There are three main strategies that socially responsible investors use. The first is negative screening, where you actively exclude companies operating in industries you find harmful or unethical. This might include tobacco manufacturers, weapons producers, or fossil fuel companies. You're essentially creating a list of what you won't invest in. The second strategy is positive screening, which takes the opposite approach. Here, you actively seek out and select companies with strong ESG performance and exemplary practices. You're looking for the leaders in corporate responsibility. The third strategy is shareholder advocacy, where you use your position as a shareholder to influence corporate behavior. This might involve voting on shareholder resolutions, engaging in dialogue with company management, or joining coalitions to push for positive changes. Each strategy has its place, and many investors combine multiple approaches. Impact investing takes socially responsible investing to the next level. While ESG screening helps you avoid bad actors and find good companies, impact investing focuses specifically on generating measurable, positive social or environmental outcomes alongside financial returns. Impact investments are made with the intention of creating specific, beneficial changes in the world. Common areas include affordable housing projects that provide quality homes for low-income families, renewable energy initiatives like solar and wind farms, healthcare access programs that serve underserved communities, and education programs that improve learning opportunities. The key difference is that impact investors don't just want to avoid harm, they want to actively create positive change and measure the real-world results of their investments. Getting started with socially responsible investing involves 4 key steps. Step 1 is defining your values. Take time to identify which social and environmental issues matter most to you personally. Are you most concerned about climate change, social justice, animal welfare, or corporate ethics? Understanding your priorities will guide all your future investment decisions. Step 2 is researching your investment options. Explore ESG mutual funds, ETFs, impact investment opportunities, and individual socially responsible companies. There are more options available today than ever before. Step 3 is reviewing ESG ratings. Use rating agencies like MSCI, Sustainalytics, or Morningstar to evaluate how companies perform on environmental, social, and governance factors. Step 4 is building your portfolio. Start making actual investments in funds or individual stocks that align with your values. Remember, you can start small and gradually build a portfolio that reflects both your financial goals and ethical principles. There are 4 main types of investment vehicles available for socially responsible investors. First are ESG mutual funds, which are professionally managed portfolios that screen companies based on environmental, social, and governance criteria. These offer diversification and professional management. Second are ESG ETFs, or exchange-traded funds, which track ESG-focused market indices and typically have lower management fees than mutual funds. They trade like stocks and offer easy accessibility. Third are individual stocks, where you directly purchase shares in specific companies with strong ESG performance. This gives you maximum control, but requires more research and carries higher risk. Fourth are green bonds, which are fixed-income securities specifically designed to fund environmentally beneficial projects like renewable energy installations or sustainable infrastructure. Each vehicle has different characteristics, costs, and risk profiles, so consider your investment goals, risk tolerance, and desired level of involvement when choosing. Socially responsible investing offers several significant benefits. You can align your investments with your personal values, creating consistency between your beliefs and your financial decisions. Your investment dollars help drive positive social and environmental change by supporting responsible companies. Research shows that SRI can deliver competitive financial returns, often matching or exceeding traditional investments. Additionally, companies with strong ESG practices often face reduced long-term risks from regulatory changes, reputational damage, or environmental disasters. However, there are also challenges to be aware of. You may find limited investment options in certain sectors if you apply strict screening criteria. ESG rating standards vary between agencies, making comparisons difficult. There's also the risk of greenwashing, where companies exaggerate their environmental or social credentials. Finally, identifying truly responsible investments requires more research and due diligence than traditional investing. Understanding both the benefits and challenges helps you approach SRI with realistic expectations. Let's recap the most important points about socially responsible investing. First, SRI allows you to invest according to your values without sacrificing financial returns. You don't have to choose between doing good and doing well financially. Second, use ESG criteria, which stands for environmental, social, and governance factors, to systematically evaluate companies beyond just their profit numbers. Third, you can choose from various strategies including negative screening to avoid harmful industries, positive screening to find leaders in responsibility, or impact investing to create measurable positive change. Finally, getting started is straightforward. Define your personal values, research your investment options, review ESG ratings from reputable sources, and begin building a portfolio that truly aligns with who you are and what you believe in. Socially responsible investing empowers you to make your money work not just for your financial future, but for the kind of world you want to live in.
If you like this video, hit that like button and don't forget to subscribe. Visit CodeLucky.com for more such useful content.